Hello everyone, I will be making variety of dishes, so do like and subscribe my channel and hit on the bell for more notifications. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to make eggless chocolate cake. Ingredients required are all-purpose flour, that is maida, sugar powder, curds, butter, salt, cocoa powder, baking soda, baking powder, vanilla essence and milk is required. This is the measurement cup what I have taken. I have taken 1 cup of curds. To this I am adding butter. And beat this nicely. I have taken 2.5 cups of maida. See that there are no lumps. I have strained it. Add little salt. 1.5 cup of sugar powder. Half cup of cocoa powder. Two spoons baking powder. 1 spoon baking soda. Mix it. To this add curds and the butter mixture what I have done and kept it. Instead of butter you can also use refined oil. Mix it nicely. Add 1 spoon vanilla essence. To this add milk. Mix it nicely. I am going to mix this using a whipper. This is the tray in where I am going to make the cake. Here I am using butter paper. If you are not having butter paper, so just take, suppose this is the tray what you are using. Grease the butter. Sprinkle maida. Tilt it so that maida gets stick in the entire tray. Then you can, in this you can pour the batter. So since I am using the butter paper, I am going to grease the other part of the tray only. Beat it thoroughly. Here you can see the consistency. Our batter is ready to be poured in the tray. Pour the batter in the tray. let the tray be filled with only half of the quantity, so that once the cake gets plumped, it will fill up the tray. Shake the tray so that no gaps are left. I have preheated the oven. Place the tray. I'm going to set it in convection mode for 160 degrees, and I'm going to bake it for 30 to 35 minutes. First I'm going to set it for 30 minutes and I'm going to start it. Now 9 more minutes nearly is left, and you can see the cake is getting baked. After 35 minutes, we'll check whether the cake is ready. Just check if the cake is properly baked. Take a toothpick, poke it and see. You can see here it is still sticking. So let it bake for another 10 minutes. After 10 more minutes of baking, let us check. See here, you can see it's not getting sticked. So now the cake is ready. So total for 40 minutes I have baked it. Here I have removed the cake. Here you can see, friends, cake is ready. Let it get cooled and I will decorate the cake and show you. Since I am decorating the cake, I am removing this top portion. I have made the cake more flatter. Here you can see, this also you can eat, but for decoration I have removed the top portion. Here you can see the softness of the cake. I am going to cut the cake into 2 pieces so that I can put the cream in between. I have made the cake into 2 pieces. This is sugar syrup. I have used 3 tablespoons of sugar, 2 spoons of water. I am going to spread it here. This I am using to get a little bit of moisture in the cake. Now I am going to spread cream. I have evenly spread this cream. I am putting choco chips. I am going to place the other piece on the top. Now the cake is ready. I have decorated the cake as it is Independence Day. I wish all of you happy Independence Day.